Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2018 Hyundai Kona, stock number 7303. It's ran for the 9th, 2017 to the 10th, 2020. It's a G4FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine, 8.7 speed automatic transmission. This is a G4FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory Omega tyre, left-hand door mirror, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, left-hand tail light, right-hand tail light has small sun crack, right rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right-hand door mirror, right front 18-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,